Hi guys, this is Suraj Soni and welcome you all to my YouTube channel. So I hope you all are doing absolutely fine. So आज हम बात करेंगे about this. This is my action camera जो मैं यूज करता हूँ मोटो व्लॉगिंग के लिए अपने. So मैं राइड्स पे जाता हूँ यही यूज करता हूँ जिससे आप फुटेज देखते हो जो मेरे हेलमेट पे माउंट कर रखा है मैंने. अकॉर्डिंग टू मी दिस इज द बेस्ट एंड इन बजट द बेस्ट कैमरा. अगर आप स्टार्ट कर रहे हो फॉर बिगिनर्स दिस इज द बेस्ट वन. This is the box. You can see SjCam mentioned here. Wi-Fi. This is the camera inside the box right now. This is the model number SJ4000 Wi-Fi action cam with 2-inch LCD screen. Okay, let's take a close-up. It is mentioned it has 12 megapixels of camera. It is water resistant up to 30 meter with the waterproof case inside it, and it can shoot up to 1080p 30 fps in H.264 Full HD format. This is the branding. Okay, this is the side view and we can see that this is the scratch place. We can scratch the code and verify its authenticity if it's original or not on the SjCamHD.com website, and we can download its app SjCam Zone by scanning these QR codes. This is for the iOS and this is for Android phones. At this side it is mentioned that what it includes in the box. It shows that it has the camera, the waterproof casing, several mounts. These are the tightening screws, body cover we can say. This is the bike mount and various other things. Okay, at the back it is mentioned SjCam SJ4000 and this is the resolution for this specification. Image sensor is of 12 megapixel, lens is 170 degree wide angle lens, and these are the various resolutions for image and for video. Like it can shoot up to 1080p 30 fps, 720p 60 frames per second, and etc. Okay, format is JPG or .mov. Battery is 900 mAh detachable. It has a slot for SD card up to 32 GB, up to 64 GB and 128 GB. Okay, it has USB 2.0 connection, HDMI and Wi-Fi available. So this is its purpose, like drone, car mode, bicycle mode, during sailing or underwater, and this is the barcode. So that's it, and now let's unbox it and see what it has. Okay, it has a nice packaging. Now we have to remove this. Let's keep it aside. Okay, let's take the camera out. So this is the camera inside the waterproof casing. Let's keep it aside and see what else do we have. Let's open it. Okay, wow, we have a lots of accessories, as SjCam is always known to send a lot of accessories in the box. So these are all the accessories, and these are the SjCam stickers. This is the booklet. Okay, and let's see what it has here. These are the wrist straps, and we have these 3M tapes, extra tapes. Okay, and the last thing we have is the standard USB cable. Its quality is good. It is USB to micro USB, as you can see. Okay, let's keep all these things aside. We'll see them later. Let's keep the box aside. So guys, this is the camera. Okay, let's open it and let's see how is it. Okay, so to open it like this, I think. Okay, this is somewhat tight. Okay, as it is a waterproof case. Okay, so friends, this is the waterproof casing. We can close it like this, We have the buttons to access the camera inside the waterproof case, so it's good. Okay, this is the camera. You can see the size is very compact and its quality is also good. So at this side we have the USB port, the HDMI port and the micro SD card slot. On the up side we have the OK button and LED indicator. On the right side we have these two buttons, one for the Wi-Fi, it works as Wi-Fi button as well, and up and down selection keys. This is the speaker. On the front we see the power on off button and the mode button. This is the camera lens. It has, let's remove it. Okay, SjCam branding over here and SJ4000 Wi-Fi is mentioned here. At the downside we have the battery compartment. Okay, so let's see how can we open it. So friends, this is the battery of the SjCam 4000. This is lithium ion battery and it is 900 mAh battery. Let's put it inside and let's see how this camera switch on. Okay, to switch on we have to press this mode button. Okay, let's remove this as well. Okay, so as I press the power on button, you can see the LED indicator. As we can see, the lens is 170-degree wide angle. It is capturing whole of my table from a very low angle. Yes. Okay, so leave it. What we can see is, as right now we don't have any image. Yes, this is the settings button. As we press this buttons, we can navigate through the menu. So, and by pressing this OK button we can enter in it. So this shows the resolution for video. So, and this is for loop recording. This is the field of view, and this is WDR. We have motion detection, audio. We have various options. We have the option for video lapse as well. That is the time lapse video. The image size, quality, sharpness, white balance, color, ISO, underwater option, photo lapse, burst mode, dash cam. Dash cam, you all know that it is used for we can use it as dash cam while driving. And these are the daytime stamping and keypad tone, etc. We have, and this is the Wi-Fi option. We can set up Wi-Fi password. So the version for this is v1.7 firmware. Okay, so this is it guys, and to switch it off we press this button, long press. That's it. Thank you so much for watching the video. Please subscribe to my channel so that I'll be able to make much better videos for you. Thank you so much.